What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video I am talking about how to price your hair out for your hair company.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So getting right into it, you want to first think about how much is it costing you to have this hair wholesale. And then you want to think about what is your goal of what you want to make. I would say monthly starting out. Like, what do you want to make monthly and what do you need to make monthly? So what do you want to make monthly would be like your overall goal of what you're trying to get to. But what you need to make monthly is what you would need to cover all your overhead costs. So your website, you know, anything you're doing for the brand, like keeping the lights on. You also have to think about what is your competition charging. So hair companies that are similar to yours, what are they pricing the hair at? Because you don't want to go too high above that or too low above that. So see what they're pricing it at and see what works for what you're paying for the hair. So once you figure out how much you need to make period in order to cover your monthly expenses, and then also how much you need to upcharge in order to make a profit that, you know, builds the bank account up, then you want to look into other ways that you can price the hair to make it more appealing to your customers, like your bundle deals. You need bundle deals because those are what really sells. People are buying bundles by the threes. They're not really buying them singular. You can still have the singular option. Like for us with Hello Fab Hair, we still have single bundles for people that want it that way, but we have a whole bundle deals section. And basically to do that, sorry, there was a gnat. Basically to do that, you would just kind of take the price of the 3 bundles together and then cut it down by, they recommend about $10–15, but you can cut it down to however you want to cut it down. Just depends on your cost to get the bundles in the first place. So that is like a major thing for pricing, is definitely make sure you price out your bundle deals and have those available, because people buy by the 3s and the 2s, they don't buy by the 1s. It's very rare that I just sell single bundles. I'm always selling bundle deals. So make sure you price those out. Again, $10–15 usual, but you can always adjust by what works for your business. So that's pretty much how you price the hair. That's actually one of the easier parts of running the hair company, is figuring out how you want to price it. You know, just a quick recap, look at your competition, see what they're charging, make sure you're in line with what's going on for that, and then also make sure you have your bundle deal pricing available, and you know, make sure you're covering your overhead cost and make sure you're making a profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to make sure your notifications are turned on. You don't want to miss the uploads from your fave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.